in this highest position. Thank you. Mr. P.S.Amalraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, is the youngest chairman in the history of India and earned himself the esteem of the bar and the bench. I now request P.S.Amalraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, to deliver his welcome speech.
Thank you, Madam. Honorable Mrs. Justice P.S.P. Satyanarayana, Honorable Mrs. Justice Nisha Banu, Honorable Dr. Justice Anita Suman, Honorable Mrs. Justice Bhavani Subbarayan, Honorable Justice P.T. Hasa, Judges of the Madras High Court, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. T.R. Rajagopal, Senior Advocate, Mr. N.L. Raja, Senior Advocate, Mr. Xavier Arulraj, Senior Advocates, Mr. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, the Co-Chairmans, Mr. Mohana Krishnan, Mr. K. Balu, Mr. Sri Muruga, the Chairman, Executive Committee, Mrs. Priscilla Pandian, the Honorary Secretary, Mr. R. Ayyavu, our Bar Council members, Senior members, Mr. Varadan, Mr. Paul Kanagaraj, Mr. Vel Murugan, members of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Secretary, Assistant Secretary, our Council, Chandrasekhar, Jyoti Mani, the President MBA, Mr. Kamalnathan, Secretary Srinivasan, the President Women Law Association, Louis Saldames, the former President Nalini, and other office bearer of the associations, other members of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, senior advocates, President, Secretaries of the various bar associations, members of the legal fraternity, present media, and all others present on the dais of the dais. Good evening to all. As the Chairman of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, I take this opportunity with immense pleasure and I feel grateful to welcome one and all. First of all, on behalf of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, it's my privilege to begin the farewell function by wholeheartedly expressing our birthday wishes to the Honorable Mrs. Justice P.S.P. Satyanarayana for her healthy and prosperous life today. Honorable Mrs. Justice hails from Mannargudi, Thiruvarur district, and her father, Mr. Padmanabhan, was an IAS officer. The Honorable Judge did graduation at Vaishnava College and completed law degree in Madras Law College and got enrolled on 11th day of September 1985. The Honorable Judge practiced in almost all the sites of the for 28 years, and due to her exceptional work competency, she has been elevated as an additional judge of this chartered Madras High Court and assumed his office on 25th day of October 2013, and then elevated as a permanent judge on 14th day of April 2015. The Honorable Judge upheld the highest standards of fairness, judicial independence, and committed to the rule of law. The Honorable Judge always patiently hears the argument advanced by the members of the bar and decided the case with utmost precision and care, which is one of the reasons for the esteemed respect and abounding affection towards the Honorable Judge. The Honorable Judge had rendered several landmark judgments with detailed interpretation and also issued several directions and suggestions to the authorities for upholding the rule of law and disposed to more than 38,000 cases. The judgment rendered by the Honorable Judge shows her dedication, probity, proponents, and judicial temperaments towards the legal system, and also exhibits for her functional excellence in the judicial delivery system. In a case seeking for compensation of the victim who was affected in an electrocution due to high tension electricity wire passing at a very low height near lake area, the Honorable Judge had condemned the negligence of the authorities concerned and granted suitable relief to the affected person, and the same shows the sympathy and the gratitude of the Honorable Judge. The Honorable Judge, while passing an order in an issuing relating to the issuance of passport, has observed that the mere registration of the FIR cannot be treated as a pending criminal trial, and finally directed the passport authority to issue passport to the petition herein. This judgment helped the several persons who were denied their passport mere pending of the FIR. Apart from the dynamically rendered justice, she has been involved herself in several orientation programs, mainly the laws relating to the protection of women and children. The Honorable Judge is a mentor for the young advocates to make them equipped with the fullest knowledge of the law. At this juncture, I would like to recollect the formation of the full bench headed by the Honorable Judge, along with the companion judges, Honorable Justice Anita Sumat, Honorable Justice Asha, who are all present here in the year of 2020 to hear the long pending issue and held that the Employees State Insurance Act 1948, ESA Act, is applicable to all education institutions, which has been marked as a landmark bench. Notwithstanding all the above, the Honorable Judge is not only a champ in the judiciary, but also a champion in sports such as hockey, cricket, and also an athlete, which shows the multifaceted personality of the Honorable Judge. We feel proud and happy the Honorable Judge readily accepted our invitation on behalf of the Bar Council. I wholeheartedly welcome Honorable Mrs. Justice Sathyanaarayanan for this farewell function. The Honorable Mrs. Justice Nisha Bonu is born on Takle, Kanyakumari district, and completed law course at Madurai Law College, and got enrolled before the Bar Council on 28th day of November 1990. The Honorable Judge was a founder, president of the Women Advocate Association of the Madurai Bench of Madras High Court, the secretary of the Tamil Nadu Federation for Women Lawyers, and a joint secretary of the All India Federation for Women Lawyers. The Honorable Judge also served a panel counsel for the Bar Council of India and for several other authorities. Due to the vast knowledge in all the fields of law, got elevated as a judge of the Madras High Court on 5th day of October 2016. And rendering justice to the needy people, I welcome Honorable Mrs. Justice Nisha Bonu for participating in this farewell function. The Honorable Dr. Justice Anita Suman, after completing her law course in Madras Law College, did Masters in Law in Constitution and Public International Law, and also completed PhD in International Taxation, Electronic and Commerce, and practiced before the Honorable Supreme Court, Honorable High Court, and tribunals. The Honorable Judge is a specialist in taxation law and served as a special government pleader taxes in the Madras High Court, and appointed as a permanent judge of the Madras High Court on 5th day of October 2018. The Honorable Judge delivers an impartial judgment with a surgical legal precision, which in turn imports on the members of the bar with the exceptional judicial wisdom. I welcome Honorable Dr. Justice Anita Suman for this August function. The Honorable Mrs. Justice Bhavani Subbarayan is born at Tanjavur and studied the Bachelor of Science at Queen Mary's College, and completed law degree at Madras Law College, and also completed the Master in Law in Hon'ble University. The Honorable Judge has got enrolled on 13th day of August 1986 and practiced before the High Courts and other courts, and appointed as an additional judge of the Madras High Court on 28th day of June 2017. The Honorable Judge is an icon of service, and it is evident from her appearance in so many pro bono cases. While practicing as a lawyer, in a sensational case, the Honorable Judge appeared and argued on behalf of a transgender person whose selection to the post of Sub-Inspector of Police was unjustly rejected by the authorities concerned, and got order in favor of the transgender person. That was a historical moment, as it instilled in the faith of justice amongst the oppressed transgender community. The Honorable Judge is also Tamil scholar, and I welcome Honorable Mrs. Justice Bhavani Subbarayan for participating in this farewell function. The Honorable Justice P.T. Hasha, born at Kunnur and studied St. Columbian Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School, which is located in the same vicinity of the prestigious Madras High Court, and after schooling, completed law course in the Madras Law College. Even before the elevation, the Honorable Judge headed several elections of the associations and conducted the same successfully. The Honorable Judge was elevated as an additional judge of the Madras High Court on 4th day of June 2018. The Honorable Judge is very keen and rendering justice. Recently, while the Honorable Judge was sitting in the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court, has given a quietus to the long pending Thoothukudi Bar Association election issue. This shows the affection of the Honorable Judge towards the member of the bar, I welcome Honorable Justice P.T. Asha for this farewell function. This is time to denote on seeing the dais. It is apparent that the 5 women judges of the prestigious High Court have adorned the function. Emanating the effect of a constitution bench. The same marks the woman empowerment and makes the farewell as a remarkable and pleasurable one. It is also pertinent to mention here that all the 5 honorable judges are elevated from the bar to bench. All the practice lawyer would have seen the hard working of the honorable judges during their practice, and they were always seen in the court campus with their bundles in a busy manner, and due to their hard work, dedication, and their legal acumen made them to reach this position. The advocates, mainly the women advocates, have to take these honorable judges as role model and to follow their pathway to reach higher heights and to achieve your goals. Even though the day has come, a bid farewell to our beloved Honorable Judge, we all hereby request the Honorable Judge to continue rendering the service benefiting the legal fraternity and society at large. Even though the Honorable Judge has retired from service, other avenues are open to utilize the knowledge for the welfare of the common public. We wholeheartedly wish the Honorable Judge to have healthy and pleasant life. We are honored to have witnessed the efficient and the magnificence of the Honorable Judge for the past 9 years. The service rendered by the Honorable Judge in this prestigious High Court is a memorable one to all the legal fraternity. I welcome our Bar Council Vice Chairman, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Bar Council of India, the senior advocates, Mr. T.R. Rajagopalan, Mr. N.L. Raja, Mr. A. Xavier Harulraj, who are here to felicitate the Honorable Judges. I welcome all the Vice Chairman, Co-Chairmen, members of the Bar, President of all the Bar Associations, and the Secretary, all the legal fraternity, and senior advocates, present media, and other dignitaries. I once again welcome to all. Thank you one and all.